Welcome students in the online tutorial classes. Today's topic we will discuss about the classroom management paper 5 unit 1. So in unit 1 paper 5 we will discuss what is the meaning of management in context of the classroom. So classroom management is one of the skills displayed by teacher to carry out effective teaching learning process uh, by creating congenial environment uh, in the class that also controls that helps to control the behavior of the students coupled with the inclination of interest uh, to students towards the subject during the stipulated time period. सो कक्षा कक्ष प्रबंधन एक ऐसा प्रबंधन है जो कि जितने भी कौशल है उन कौशलों में यह एक प्रमुख कौशल है जिसके द्वारा शिक्षक कक्षा का प्रबंध करता है, जिसमें शिक्षक बच्चों के बिहेवियर को इस प्रकार से नियंत्रित करता है जिसके फलस्वरूप बच्चों में सब्जेक्ट के विषय में विषय आधारित जो रुचि होगी वो उत्पन्न होती है और यह जो विषय से संबंधित जो ज्ञान को देने की जो प्रवृत्ति शिक्षक करता है वो एक निर्धारित समयावधि में पूरा करता है. सो classroom management is the point must be remembered that it is a skill that has been delivered by the teacher to control the behavior, to transact the teaching learning processes in an effective way. Now, what is the function of so from the definition you can derive the nature and characteristics of classroom management. The first one is the controlling behavior of the students. Now, is one of the skills to manage the class, and it is completed within the stipulated time period. So, it is very important for effective teaching learning process. The function, since the teacher act as a manager or a leader, and during that he perform the various functions, and those functions can be described in a way that the first one is the planning, thereafter organizing, then directing, staffing, and controlling. So these are the 5 important functions performed by the manager, to work out the entire teaching learning process in the class. Planning of the class, planning of the lesson, how and to what content and how the method of teaching should be adopted by teacher during the planning of the lesson plan. Thereafter, arrangement of the classes. It is very important how to arrange the classes so that whatever the content that has been delivered by the teacher should reach in a proper way to the students. Coordination, समन्वय करना, पाठ योजना का आयोजना करना, उसके बाद जो है व्यवस्थापना करना, व्यवस्था करना, कैसे बच्चों को सुनियोजित ढंग से बैठाया जाए, किस तरीके से बैठाया जाए. उसके बाद जो है कोऑर्डिनेशन, समन्वित कैसे करना है, विचारों को समन्वित कैसे करना है, और कंटेंट के द्वारा किस तरीके से बच्चों के बीच में, टीचर के बीच में समन्वय, टीचर के बीच में समन्वय. उसके बाद सिलेबस को लेकर के हो, चाहे वो आपको विषय वस्तु को लेकर के हो, कौन सा विषय पढ़ाना है, कैसे पढ़ाना है, कोलैबोरेटिव लर्निंग करना है, टीचिंग लर्निंग करना है, टीम लर्निंग करना, टीम टीचिंग करना है, या गाइडेड इंस्ट्रक्शन देना है. सो these are the ways by which the teacher coordinate with the students, coordinate with the teachers. The student also coordinate themselves. So in the entire teaching learning process, coordination is very important in the effective teaching learning process. Direction. The teacher provide directions in a very precise way, so that each and every aspect must be comprehended by the student. Controlling the behavior, how to control the behavior so the desired modification in the behavior can be ensured. Transaction of the content, so that whatever the content that has been transacted in the two-way teaching learning process must be ensured by the teacher, so that the whole uh, classroom management can be worked out properly, effectively. Uh, so in today's sections we learn about what is the meaning of classroom management, what are the most important elements that determines the management is very clearly described to you. And what are the uh, function of teacher as a manager, what are the functions, what is the role of the teacher in the classroom management. So in the entire gamut of classroom management, we discussed the various aspects of classroom management in a very precise way. Some of the questions generally asked in your examination, that what do you mean by classroom management, what is the describe, elaborate the role of teacher as a manager in the classroom. So you have to answer in such a way. So this is very important question. And uh, in the next video I will discuss about the various learner center instructions. Keep watching. Thank you.